Hello guys, in this video you will learn about how to use the connectors because and if. Let's start. Our end in mind is to explain different relationships between clauses using because and if. Connectors because and if. Remember that a connector is a word that is used to link or to connect sentences. Let's start with the connector because. We use because to introduce a reason clause or sentence. In the example we have, I read the book because my cousin recommended it. So the reason that this person had to read the book was a recommendation. We can also use because at the beginning of the sentences, and the idea is the same. Because I got sick, I didn't go to the party. So, notice that the clauses or sentences are separated with a comma. Connector if. It is a connector that expresses a conditional relationship. Let's check the example to understand better this idea. I will study in the UNAM if I pass the test. It means if the person does not pass the test, he or she won't study in the UNAM. If at the beginning of the sentence. Using the same idea, we have, if I pass the exam, I will study in the UNAM. I want you to notice that the if clause or the condition is at the beginning of the sentence and the main clause or the result is after the comma. That is something important to understand and to identify when you are writing or organizing your ideas. In order to help you to remember the order of the if sentences, I added this chart. Take it in consideration when you work with your activities.